And I continue digging. So this is how it's gonna look like while we are putting the cement, the concrete. I got one hole here, I got one hole here. This is not going to be used. This is not going to be used, but I got another here. So basically I got 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th one is missing yet. I'll make it later. Yeah, I'm still filtering the sand from the stones. I'm gonna use the stones for my concrete base. I temporarily reduce the amount of space for the little chicks, so they only have this space right now, because I'm gonna redo it somehow to make sure they don't escape. And so yeah, as usual, lots of stuff to do. Every time we have something new to do. These guys are so big already. Look at them. Look at them. I couldn't believe they were little tiny ones. And for some of them you can already see that like this is gonna be a rooster, I'm pretty sure. You can see it by his nose. You know? So interesting. It's so interesting watching them. Let's continue digging. No, I don't have a special shovel, so I'm using my arms, and it works. Maybe not that fast, but still. Just get down there. I grab a handful, and I sort the stones from the sand. Again and again and again. I want to go about 2 feet down, and it's already okay. It's still 2 foot in here. That's good. So now I can finish sorting the stones, put them into the bag, and put the sand aside. My filter got a little broken. I heard it's really satisfying watching somebody's working. Do you feel the same, guys? Do you feel satisfied watching me doing this strange stuff? Oh no. Half of the stones. I missed them. That's fine. I'll get them later. Honestly, I don't even know why I'm filtering the stones from the sand. I have no clue how I'm gonna use it, but I just feel it's right to have sand without the stones, you know. So that's why I'm doing it. But I'm sure I will find something to use it for. So I'll keep doing it. Let's fix the filter. This time I'm gonna put a lot of them. A lot of staples. It breaks too easy if it's not enough. That's good enough. Let's move on to the next one. You know, so funny, when I prepare the leftovers for my chicken, you know, sometimes I want to eat it myself because it looks and smells so tasty. You know, like here we have cabbage and here we have all kind of vegetables mixed, and it looks awesome and it smells like incredible. The way this is the first mango we got. It fell off the tree. And what's interesting, I haven't seen the mangoes yet, So I assume it was somewhere on the top of the tree. So it means that soon we're gonna have plenty of amazing tasty mangoes. Just cleaned the coop, put the new mulch, removed all the poop from the tray, put some fresh mulch into their rooms. Put the new mulch in here, you know, check the water. Now it's all good. I need to finish the digging, otherwise I would never build this coop. So I'll continue, and as soon as all the 6 holes done, I'll start positioning the wood, and you know, measuring the distance, doing the levels, and fixing it. So many stones, huge. Yep, lots of them. They're all big. Okay, so I got this hole, which is 2 feet deep, and I'm gonna put the 6 foot wood in it, so it's gonna be 4 feet high. This one 2 feet deep, and I'm gonna put 8 feet high in here, so the maximum height of the coop is gonna be 6 feet. The last one is also 2 feet, and I'm gonna put 6 feet inside, and it's gonna be 4. Yes, it's gonna be 4. So it's gonna be 4, 6, and 4. These are the heights of the beams that I'm gonna put. All right, so here I am 1 foot lower because we have the incline in here. So, and it's too deep, 2 feet deep. So to make it level, it's gonna be 3 feet, and it should be 4 height. So 7 foot beam is going here. The same in the corner. I got 2, so 7 deep. So 7 foot high wooden stick is going here. And the only question is here. So if it's 2 foot deep, then I will need to use like 9 foot wood, but I got the 10 foot wood, so I'm thinking instead of cutting it on 9 foot, I'll try to dig it even deeper, up to 3 foot deep. So I already started, and it's really deep. When I'm trying to do that, I'm kind of getting all the way down. I'm not sure I will be able to reach any deeper, so I don't know how to do that, honestly. Because look, I'm trying to get the soil from it, and I'm going all the way. There's a huge stone in there I'll need to take out. I can do it only with a crowbar. Already made it move a little bit. Still going out. That easy. Look, the rooster. Use it for the first time. It's the first time I'm seeing him. Using the roosting bar, the nesting bar, how do you call this thing? You know, and I was so proud when I made it, because it looked pretty awesome in my opinion, pretty unique. But he never used it before, and now finally he's using it. His resting bar. I wonder if he'll go any higher one day. That's so awesome. That's it. That's it. But okay, I appreciate it. Thank you, Pete. I pushed the SOS button on my phone. Huh. No, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Whew. Finally, I was able to move it. Just a little bit. Now, the only question is how to take it out. Because it's so deep and it's so heavy. Whew. I don't know what's gonna happen with my spine tomorrow. Probably it will be really bad. Alright. Whew. Look at this guy, huh? Whew. That was huge. Oh, my poor spine. And there's another one in there. Are you kidding me? Is it a laptop or what? No. Let me see it.